So I'll talk about a study that was done by Dr. Carol Dweck. She's now at Stanford. She did a test on children. And so basically what she did is she got two groups of children. One group of children, they solved a puzzle. So both children, they gave them an easy puzzle and they solved it. And they told one group of children, oh, you did good. You must be really smart. So they told the children, oh, you must be really smart. And they told another group of children, oh, you did really good. You must have worked really hard. So they told one group that they did it because they were smart. They told the other group that they did it because they worked hard. And then they asked the children, next, do you want a hard puzzle or an easy puzzle? And the children that they told were really smart, most of them said, I want an easy puzzle. Mm-hmm. The children that they told they did it because they worked hard, most of them wanted a hard puzzle for a challenge. But then they gave all the children like super hard puzzles to solve, like almost impossible to solve. And after that, then they gave them puzzles that were the same difficulty as the original puzzle. And so the children that had been praised for their smartness, the ones that had basically the fixed mindset now, they got lower scores this time. Whereas the ones with the growth mindset, they got better scores. And then on top of that, they asked the children to report their own scores. And they found that the children with the fixed mindset lied 3 times as much as the ones with the growth mindset about their scores. So the growth mindset embraces challenges and opportunities to learn. The self-image is not tied to external success. People with a growth mindset are not afraid to fail. They think that effort is a path to intelligence, growth, and mastery. They celebrate their friends' success. Criticism is a source of information. People with a fixed mindset, they say, I am the way I am. They see themselves as victims. They're always concerned about their image, and they take the easy route. In order to avoid failing, they may avoid challenges or quit. Negative feedback is seen as an insult. They feel threatened by their friends' success, and they have excuses. So again, this is we're talking about an approach to life that you take, not in a specific situation. So yeah, this is how you'll view fitness. This is how you'll view financial success. This is how you'll view education. You'll view it all from that same lens. That either that it's up to you or that it's not.